Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be showing you on how to make an airplane. So, step 1, get one of those. Step 2, get a piece of goop. Step 3, put the goop inside. And then grab one of these. Another one of these. Line it up perfectly, just like this. Line it up perfectly like that. If you can't, just do it however you want. Okay. Put it on top. Put the goop on top, and then grab another one of the triangle pieces, and then put it straight, like line up the line with the other line right here. Crap, it's wrong. Hold on.
I'm making like a home that's like a sled.
Like that. Oh my god. It's so uneven. It doesn't have to be like really perfect. So do that. Get another piece of goop, put it right there. Grab a triangle piece. Put it right there. Okay. Just line it up perfectly right there. Get a piece of goop. Put the goop right there. Grab a broom, because that makes you way faster. Face the broom that way. Face it down. I'm pretty sure you face it down. Hold on. Let me see. Let me just see real quick. No, okay, you face it up. Good. Face it up. Get another goop. Get another broom. Put it right there. Face it up. Just like that. If you want, you can make it like really even. Okay, right there. Get a broom. Face it up. over. Put it right there. Get another broom. Okay. And then it is done. You're finished. And then you can add some decorations if you want, but look how fast it goes. That's how fast it goes. And if you want, you can make it like go really, really fast by adding one more to every single one of the thingies. It's right there. I'm gonna show you how fast it is with 2 on every single one. Bro. Maybe I'm every single night.
I forgot the fishing boom box isn't goopable.
The rest of us. Come up. Okay. Right there. Okay, last and final broom. Oh no, that's not the last broom. Forgot about the other one. Okay, last and final broom. Okay, we're done. Look how sick that looks, bro. Okay, let's test it. 3, 2, 1. Go. Oh my. So fast, bro. I'm gonna have to save this. But I don't have any to bro. It like fits almost perfectly through here. Almost perfect. And then that on the back. That's how you make an airplane. That's really fast. Or no, or you can use like really small brooms that makes it go really fast, and then you can add some decorations on there. So, yep, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and yeah, bye.